and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then hello and welcome. We don't normally look like this. I woke up this morning kind of feeling a little under the weather, and normally I pre-film and that way I have the video ready to go, but yesterday I went to the movies with my little sister, so I actually didn't have time to film today's unboxing. So we are going to charge through it today. I added extra highlight to my face so I would appear like I wasn't feeling horrible. So we're just gonna power through this video. Before I do get started unboxing some of these packages, I do wanna say that my schedule here on my channel is I post on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. That is when you'll find new videos from me, so if you guys wanna subscribe, please feel free to do so. Also, we have a giveaway going on right now on my channel, and I will have that link down below as well if you guys want to enter. Let's get started and unbox some of these unbox some of these packages. Okay, so I went ahead and I took the hood off just, so I didn't scare you guys too much. And let's get started. So the first box that I have here is from Rocksbox. They reached out to me and asked me if they could send me one of their boxes. So that's what this is. Give me a code if you guys want to get your first month free. You can just use the code MOLLYSQUAD. I'm not really sure what this is all about. I've never tried anything from them before, so I'm gonna open up this little box and see what is inside here. Okay, so we have like a little pouch here with, it looks like what's the jewelry gonna be in, and then they knew that I was feeling a little under the weather. This will make me feel better. We got some candy. These say sweet on you. I love candy, so that makes me happy. We also have like some little stickers in here as well. And this is a really, really nice package. It's done really pretty inside as well. And this box is very, very nice. Ooh, fun. So we have, let's see here. We have a pair of earrings. These are definitely fun. These are definitely very, very fun. So I think that they frill out too if I open up the little thing here. So they kind of flare out. Those are fun. So basically what Rocksbox is you actually get a product monthly. And then what you do is if you love the product after, wearing it and playing with it and everything, you can actually buy it from them. Or if you want, you can just send it back and you will get a new product. I think it's $21 a month. And like I said, if you use the code MOLLYSQUAD, then you will get your first month free. It's kind of a cool concept because jewelry kind of does get boring, especially when you have fun pieces like this. It can kind of get boring after a little while, but then you're kind of stuck with them. So that's a kind of a cool concept. You can just kind of wear them a little bit, send it back, get something else, or you can kind of buy the item if you love it so much to where you want it in your collection. That's really cool, and thank you so much to Rocksbox for sending me this, and I'm gonna eat those candies. The next little package I have here is from Pure, and they sent me their new Quick Pro glitters. So this is a new formula. You can use them as eyeshadow or a glittery top coat. So these are basically just like little liquid eyeshadows. These look really pretty. I'm really excited to play with these. I did swatch them already. I have a picture posted on my Instagram, but I haven't actually gotten to play with them on my eyes yet. I do really like the applicator. I think it's very different. It's just like this tiny little wand, and they look super, super pigmented, and I'm really excited to play with them. So like here's a swatch of that one. Like really, really pigmented and very pretty. So I'm excited to play with these. They come in a set of 5, and I think they are available on Pure's website. I'll have them linked down below. But we have some really, really fun colors. So our next box that we have here is from Motives. Motives Cosmetics, it really has some really, really great products, and they're not talked about too much. I don't hear about them too much, but their products are really, really good. I love their Liquid Sticks matte lipsticks. Those are some of my absolute favorites. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what they sent over. Okay, awesome. So we have a bunch of new lip colors. So these are their, what are these? The Velvet lipsticks. I do really like their lipstick formula. Like I was saying, the lippy stick ones are my favorite. So let's open this up and swatch some of them. So this one is in the shade Chianti, I believe. And this looks like a really rich, pretty burgundy shade. So let's go ahead and swatch it. Super creamy formula. That one looks really pretty. Let's go ahead and swatch the other shades. Okay, so this next shade here, this is called Fetch. So let's go ahead and swatch this one. Looks like kind of an orangey mauve shade. That looks pretty. This one is XoXo. And there is XoXo. That one looks very similar to the first one. It looks like it just has a little bit more of a pink hint to it. This next one is called Birthday Suit. Ooh, this one is pretty. I went ahead and I swatched that one right here. Really like the tones of this. Next one is called Twerk. The names on these are really cute too. Ooh, this one is pretty. It's like a raspberry red shade. And then the last one here is called Slay. And this one looks like a very dark burgundy shade. And here is Slay right down there. So these are their new velvet lipsticks. These are so our next item is from Dior and OCTOLY. And OCTOLY, if you guys do not know, is just a site where you can review products from different brands. I will have it linked down below if you guys want to check it out. And I got the shade Light Brown, and this is their brow styler. And it is from Dior, and this looks really nice. Oh my gosh, the packaging. So basically, I just twisted it up. So that's kind of cool that it doesn't have a lid, because sometimes I feel like with my, precisely my brow pencil, which is my absolute favorite, I do lose the lid sometimes, and I'm like, I don't want it to dry up. So that's kind of cool that it like just kind of goes up like that. I'm gonna just put a little swatch on my hand and see if we can kind of feel what the formula is like. It definitely feels like it's gonna be really drying. So it's kind of more of one of those like waxy pencils. Here is a swatch right there of the color. It looks like it's gonna match me pretty good. So I'm really excited to try this out. And then on the other side here, we just have a spoolie. For the next package that I have here, this is from DERMA. So I'm really excited. I'm going to be partnering with them for an upcoming video. So you guys know how much I love them. So they sent over products for that video. So they sent over some more of their new masks. I mentioned these in a previous unboxing, and I've actually used quite a few of them, and I'm really excited to get some more of them. So we have the Purifying 2-in-1 Charcoal Mask. We also have the Firming Magnetic Clay Mask. Ooh, I haven't tried that one yet. And then we have their Vitamin C Brightening Clay Mask. Also sent over this new serum from them. This is their Advanced Peptides and Collagen Serum. And then we also have here their moisturizer. And then lastly in here, I'm super excited about this. This is their new eye cream. And I haven't tried an eye cream from them, so I'm really, really excited to try out all of these products. And I can't wait to give you guys my first opinion on them. So yeah, more masks. I'm really excited about that. So the next package that I got here is from MAC. So I'm really excited to open this. So these are their new highlighting palettes. Okay, so we have two different highlighting palettes here. Let me get my little sheet. The reason I love MAC's PR so much is they always give you like a ton of information on the products. So these are their Hyper Real Glow. So these are new highlighting palettes. So we have two new highlighting palettes. So we have the Hyper Real Glow Get It Glowing, and then we have the Flash and Awe palette. So let's go ahead and open these up. So it says here that these will be $39.50, and they are available on February 15th. So I am noticing on here that you kind of can't tell them apart. I know that they have different lettering, but I don't know which one is which, and I took them out of the little plastic that said. So I'm gonna have to figure out here, so which one is which here. So this one, they do have names on the inside, so that's how I'm gonna figure it out here. So this is the Flash and Awe palette. So we have three different colors here. This looks like it's gonna be really, really pretty. Ooh, they feel nice. So here's kind of what that one looks like. And then let's go ahead and look at the other one. So I think I might do a review slash first impressions on these for Monday's video. So be on the lookout for that. So I'm not really going to show you guys swatches yet, besides the ones that I did on my hands here. So you'll have to stay tuned for that video. But thank you so much to MAC for this package. The next box that I have here is from Profusion. We just got one from them recently, so I'm surprised to get another one. So let's see what they sent over. Oh, this is so cute. So it's like a little Valentine. So it just says, "To Sweetheart from your Profusion team." That's cute. Have a box here, so let's see what, oh, we got candy, yay. Aw, so we have like these little Dove chocolates in here. That's super cute. Okay, so that's all that's in this one. That's cute, that's a cute little box too. I'm gonna save that to regift. Some cute little heart tissue paper, and then of course they wrapped everything up like little presents because they are so sweet. So let's go ahead and see what they sent us. Ooh, so this one is the Smoky Eyes palette. Looks like it's gonna be really nice. The colors in it look super, super pretty. Really excited for some smoky looks with this one. Let's see what else we have in here. I am really excited about this one. So this is their Pro Conceal and Contour Palette. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we have like color correctors in here. That's really cool. Cream concealer, cream contour, and then we also have, ooh, looks like we have some highlights in here and some bronzer as well. And then there's like 2 different brushes. You guys, their sets are such good value. They are so inexpensive and you get really good quality with Profusion's product. I love their Love to Glow set, I believe it's called. That one is like my absolute favorite. The highlighters in there are so pretty. And then it looks like we have one more thing in here. Ooh, so this one looks like it's an eye and cheek palette. So we have 18 colors for your eyes and your cheeks. So we got like highlight in here, and then we have some eyeshadows and some blushes as well. That looks like it's gonna be super pretty, especially that highlight shade, Heartfelt Highlight. That looks like it's gonna be gorgeous. I'm so excited. Thank you so much to Profusion. I cannot wait to try these out. And thank you for the chocolate. So this box actually just came from Influencer. If you guys do not know what Influencer is, it is an app where you guys can actually review items and also look up reviews on different items. I just got lipstick all over my hands. But you can look up different items and you can sign up to get their boxes where they will send you products to review. So this one looks like it's from L'Oreal, and this is their hair sheet masks. Let's see here. So we have their Ever Pure Sulfate-Free Rosemary. This is a moisturizing shampoo. Let me smell it and see how it smells. I like the idea of, ooh. That smells really good. And then what else do we have here? Their Deep Moisturizing Hair Sheet Mask. What is this about? For dry hair. This is like an actual mask for your hair. That is so cool. I don't think I've ever seen one of these before. So it's literally like, let me show you guys what I mean. You like actually put it comes and it's, I can feel it in here, like with the product, and then you just apply it on your hair, kind of like you would a sheet mask for your face. That is such a good idea. That is so cool. Sometimes with masks, I mean, I need to do more on my hair, but sometimes with them, they can get kind of messy, and then you have to kind of if you sleep in them, then you need like a shower cap and all those different things. But this seems really cool. So it says 5 minutes too, which is awesome. So I cannot wait to try this out, and this smells amazing. So thank you so much to L'Oreal and Influencer for that package. All right, I just have one more package here, and this came from OCTOLY, and I believe I know what this is. I'm so excited. Okay, so this is the Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess. This is their bronzer. I have heard so many people talk so highly of this that I had to try it out. I saw it in the free store and I was like, I need to get it. So I am super excited to see what this is all about because I've heard amazing reviews. I cannot get this open. Okay, there we go. This seems like a really big box for a bronzer, so I know that this is a little bit of a larger pan size, so let's see what it looks like. Oh my gosh, it is huge. I did not realize it was this big. I knew it was bigger, but I didn't realize it was this big. So I got the shade Light, so let's see what it looks like. Ooh, it even has like a little brush in the inside. I don't typically love these brushes, but sometimes they come in handy if you're like traveling or something. And here, let me get this little thing out of here. Whoop. Here is what the bronzer looks like. Let me hide my mirror here. Looks like it's gonna be a pretty shade. It does look kind of dark for a light shade. Maybe not. It just looks like it has more of like a red tint to it. Really excited to try this. Like I said, I've heard amazing reviews. And then also in here, it has this little sample. This is their Warm Goddess. So it looks like this is like a whipped one. Yeah, a whipped body cream. So really excited to try this. It doesn't have a smell. I was wondering if it was going to smell like chocolate or something, but it doesn't. But this is super cool. So thank you so much to Estee Lauder and to OCTOLY. All right, guys, we made it through the video. I made it through the video. I was a little concerned there for a second, but yeah, if I seem kind of all over the place, I'm sorry. I hope that I can just kind of kick this because I am having a Super Bowl party this weekend. I really don't want to be sick for it. So I'm literally going to put up my hood, put up my hood and go to sleep because that's how I am feeling right now. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will have all of the items I mentioned linked down below so you guys can check them out. Huge thank you to all of the brands who sent me these incredible packages, and a huge thank you to you guys for making this all possible for me. I love you so much. And yeah, I hope you guys will consider subscribing to my channel before you go, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.